Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are fixing the problem where your Instagram won't open on your Android device. The app crashes instantly, so you can just go over and follow up this process to fix it. So you can long press on the Instagram application for that and tap on the app info. And once you tap on it, you can look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and select it. After you do so, tap on OK. And again, we open the app. That should refresh the app session and usually fix the instant crashes. By going deeper, you can start by restarting your phone. So hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option on your screen and go ahead and tap on it. A fresh reboot should often clear the temporary bugs that stops the Instagram from opening. And apart from that, you can clear the cache for the application. So hold the Instagram application and go to the info section and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can just scroll down and look out for the storage section and tap on it. And once you tap on storage, look out for the clear cache option and tap on it. That should fix the crashes, black screen, and the app not opening. So you can just go over and do so. Also, if your device's storage is full, Instagram won't launch. So you can delete the unused applications and clear out the big videos or photos and free up space on your device. And at last, you can also update the Instagram application or reinstall it. So go to Play Store for that. And you can go to the search and search for Insta. And once you find it up, you can just go over and update your Instagram application to the latest version available and fix the issue, because outdated versions can often cause the crash and fail to open your applications. Also, avoid using the VPN or anything while doing so, and that's it. And these fixes will get you opening up your Instagram application once again on your Android device. So if the app is still not opening, you can comment down below. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.